How to update Netflix household in seconds. Hey everybody, if you'd like to do so, you may follow up these steps. So for that, what you can do is open up netflix.com into your device. After you open it up, you can look out for the menu in the top left corner, the three horizontal lines. And from the given menu, select the option called account. Under your profile, tap on it. And you may just scroll down to the given options and look out for this section of profile and parental controls. And once you find it up, you will be finding all of your family members that are using the, the Netflix. So if you'd like to manage these, so what you can do is you can basically look out for option called manage, which should be available. You can head over to manage access and devices option under security and privacy. And once you find it up, you may basically look out for the devices that you think you need to remove, or you can even add if you prefer. So if you would like to remove, select the device, look out for sign out option. After that, tap on it, confirm it, and that way you can basically remove up the devices. Similarly, you can even add up the device that you would like to do so. And that is how you update your family members on Netflix. So therefore, you may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.